Hello everyone, hope you all well and safe. In this video I want to share with you all my art and crafts supplies. So basically I have not so much collections for my art and craft supplies or drawing supplies, but these collections is very useful for me, especially for YouTube videos. So keep watching this full video. Firstly, I'm showing you all diamond color pencils. These are like color crayons, and in this packet here is 12 colors, and Matador 18 color pencil, here is 24 colors, and Faber-Castell color pencil, here is 24 colors. TT oil pastels, 36 colors, and in the back side the colors names is here. Faber-Castell watercolors, and these colors is very beautiful and attractive, especially for watercolor paintings, and I'm always using these watercolors for my watercolor paintings, watercolor videos, and I have such like these videos in my channel. And here is 12 watercolors, and these are my painting brush. This collection is fully new, and these are very helpful for my watercolor paintings. And here is single watercolor brush. And now I want to showing you all my craft supplies. I was ordering from Luminous Art and Craft Supplies for my craft collections, and these are my collections. Firstly, showing you all painting brush, then glitter gel pen, and here is 10 colors glitter gel pen, color papers A4 size, I have not so much collections for my craft supplies, but these are very helpful for my crafting. And these are glitter foams. Here is 10 colors of glitter foams. And finally, this is my sketching bag, and about this bag I have a fully details video in my channel, so keep watching this video. And if you want to see what's in this bag, then you are welcome. You can see this video, what's in this bag, my latest uploaded video.